Hello, this is your first video in Unit 2 packet for phonics language, page 285, 286. This is it, and the back. Nothing marked out. You will be expected to do all of it. All right, first though, I'm going to give you some words and you tell me how many syllables are in each word. Cupcake. Cupcake. I hope you said 2. Candles. Candles. 2. Visitors. Visitors would be 3. Gift. 1. Now, I am going to read some sentences and you hopefully are going to tell me what type of sentence it is. Abby is 8 today. Is that a declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory? Abby is 8 today. It is telling us that Abby is 8, so it would be a yes, declarative. What gift will you give her? What gift will you give her? That is asking a question, and that is what? Interrogative. Good. Be quiet so she does not hear us. That is an imperative. It's commanding you or it is commanding you to be quiet. What a fun surprise party. That is exclamatory because it is showing emotions and excitement. All right, now we are going to be talking about this. Adverbs. So look at that paper, at the remember bone. Adverbs are words that describe verbs. They may tell how the action of the verb is done, and they very often end in ly. Let's look at the sentences on the board. Read the first sentence out loud if you want to. I can't hear you. Now, if you were in class, you'd have to read it in your mind because we would have 19 students in here, and I don't want 19 people talking at once. So the first sentence, read it. Sarah rocked the baby gently. Now, we are asking ourselves, how did Sarah rock the baby? She rocked the baby gently. Rocked is the verb. Gently is the adverb, and it's describing how she rocked. And I'm going to have to change pens. That one's not working. Okay, there. Now, the next sentence, read it. We have to decide what the verb is. Let's read it together. Grandma quietly hummed a song. You would divide the sentence there. Hummed would be your verb. How did Grandma hum? She hummed quietly. So quietly is describing hummed. Read the next sentence. Read it together. The puppies ate noisily. We have to figure out what the verb is. What is happening in the sentence? Ate. How did the puppies eat? They ate noisily. The soccer players ran quickly. What is the verb in the sentence? Ran. How did the soccer players run? They ran quickly. So be describing ran. All right, now for your paper, we are going to be looking at section 1. It says, read the sentences, underline the verb 2 times, circle the adverb that tells how, and draw a small arrow from the adverb to the verb. The first one is done for you. Mike's new baby sister cries loudly. Cries is the verb. It's underlined 2 times. How does she cry? Loudly. So you circle loudly and put the little arrow. Please be neat with this. Let's look at the second one. Mom divided the snack crackers evenly. What is the verb in that sentence? Mom divided the snack crackers easily. I hope you underlined divided. How did she divide them? Evenly. So you would underline divided 2 times, and then you would circle evenly and draw a little arrow to divided. Now, section 2, draw lines to match the adverbs with the verbs you think match best. Make sure they make sense. In section 3, write as many adverbs as you can think of for the verb obey. I would like 4 verbs for obey. What is a verb we can use to describe obey? Remember, to describe obey, most of the words are going to end in ly. So, obey. How did Kyle obey? Happily. How did Charlie obey? Quietly. Now you could put other things, that's 2. You have to come up with 2 more. Think about how you would obey. Then we are not doing dictation, that is marked out. And then you will do the back. Back, read the sentences, write an adjective in each blank. Remember, an adjective answers what kind or how many. And then write the sentences correctly on the lines and add the capital letters and the punctuation. They are in order. All you have to do is capitalize and add the punctuation. Have you ever heard an elk? Write the whole sentence, capitalize where you need to, and put the correct punctuation at the end. Do all 3 sentences. Then circle the correct word in each sentence. Read the sentences. Don't just mark any old thing. Read it. And that is the first video. I love you. I'll praying for you, and I'll see you on the next video.